Trigger warning. On November 22nd,
Okay, here's something else. It just is that kind of a day where things are just coming to my attention. And to me, they keep falling under the same umbrella. America is in crisis. Systems are not working. Patriarchy has failed. Families. But I just keep coming to the same conclusion over and over again. Now the video which I stitched for a little bit was a mom of 4 who lives in California in crisis. 2 years ago, which is what her post was about, 2 years ago, her husband, who was the stepfather of her 15-year-old daughter, sexually assaulted the daughter. He admitted to it at the police station, but served no time. And she said it has something to do with some Assembly Church of God, that maybe there was some political power that they had. And anyway, so this dude has decimated her family, hurt the daughter, the 15-year-old daughter. They're all, on their own now. Of course, they got divorced. But he's gone and freaking remarried and has a baby. Like, what? So it's just, we need a village to raise children. Women need a village to raise children safely. There's too many, people doing weird stuff. Too many men, weird predatory behavior. Too many dangerous men who are alone with their children. Anyway, her video was, a plea for help, because there's nothing, there's been no movement on any kind of prosecution for her husband who sexually assaulted her 15-year-old daughter. And how is this still happening in 2023?